Hello everyone, welcome to Economics Bridge. Let's make economics simple, practical, and easy to understand.
Have you ever wondered where the economic theories we study today actually came from? Who decided how markets should work? Today, we are breaking down 20 plus legendary books and the brilliant minds behind them that literally changed the history of the world. Grab your notes, let's dive in. Books and its author. The Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations in 1776. Adam Smith. The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, 1936. J. M. Keynes. Preface to his Principles of Political Economy. David Ricardo, Political Economy. F. I. Walker, 1883. The Economic Point of View, M. Kerzner. Principles of Political Economy. Thomas R. Malthus. Principles of Economics. Alfred Marshall. Economics of Welfare. A. C. Pigou, An Essay on the Nature and Significance of Economic Science. Lionel Robbins, 1931. Common Sense of Political Economy. Wicksteed, The Theory of Price. G. J. Stigler, 1949. Welfare and Competition. Tibor Shitovorsky. The Elements of Economic Theory. Enrich Roll. National Income Analysis. Foundations of Modern Economic Theory, 1965, Charles L. Schulze. A Prospect of Political Economy, 1968, Henry Smith. A Reconstruction of Economics, K. F. Boulding. Economic Analysis, K. F. Boulding. Price Theory and Its Uses, D. S. Watson. Towards a Dynamic Economics, 1948, R. F. Harrod. Nature and Significance of Economic Science, L. Robbins. Economics of Welfare, A. C. Pigou. Papers on Welfare and Growth, Tibor Sitovsky. Scope and Method of Political Economy, J. N. Keynes, 1917, Economic Theory and Method, F. Zeuthen, 1953, Principles of Economics, Alfred Marshall. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next class.